Welcome to Exam Map. The topic is family courts. So, the family courts established by an act, the Family Courts Act 1984 on 14th September, to provide for the family courts with a view to promoting conciliation and speedy settlement of dispute relating to marriage and family affairs. The section 3 describes the establishment of family courts and says that state government, after consultation with high court and by notification, shall establish a family court for every area of state consisting of a city or town whose population exceeds 10 lakh, and for other areas in the state as it may deem necessary. Family courts are subordinate to high courts, which has power to transfer the case of from one family court to other family courts, and it provides for only one right to appeal, which shall lie to the family court. Thank you, class.